Hi ladies and gents, and welcome to week 11. We are almost done with the quarter, guys. As you can tell, it's a little different background today. The internet was not working in my house, so I've come to a coffee shop to give you guys this lovely little announcement video. So even the instructors deal with silly computer technical internet issues sometimes too. So hang in there. There's always a way to work around it, even if it's sitting in a coffee shop for a long time in the morning. So, you guys are super champs for continuing to push forward through all of the fun challenges that learning online offers us. So way to be superstars. Awesome. You guys rock. So let's go ahead and take a look at our week. It's our last week of class, guys. It's our last week of class. Are you so excited? Because you should be, because this is amazing. We're so close. So here we go. This week, we are going to be peer reviewing our recommendation report. Everything you need for the recommendation report is in the modules folder labeled recommendation report. So pretty easy to find there. Consider scheduling a session with the CBC Online Writing Center. You might find that really helpful, and it's worth extra credit points if you send me an email with the feedback they give you. So it's kind of a win-win. Your project gets better, so you get better grades, which is more points. And also you get extra credit points, which is more points. So it's a win-win. Yay! So then you're going to work on writing that recommendation report. You're going to post those peer reviews, and you're just going to keep revising all week. Hopefully, so you've got a really solid, beautiful document by Sunday night when you turn in that recommendation report. And then it's finals week. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but we do not have a final in this class. I know, we're all so sad, I'm sure. But the recommendation report, as I've noted before, really showcases your skills and what you've learned this quarter. So I think that it is an acceptable alternative to a final exam. So it will take the place of a final project in this class. So that'll be due on the 5th, and then you're done. You're done in this class. The only thing that you could do during that week, if you want to, is to fill out the instructor evaluations in Canvas. Just like I give you feedback on your projects and try and communicate with you about how you can continue to grow in your role as a student, the feedback is an opportunity for me to grow in my role as an instructor, because it's a lifelong learning kind of growing opportunity, and I always want to be able to up my game as much as possible. So if you guys have any feedback, I would love to hear it, and you should be able to do that on your Canvas home pages. So reach out if you have any questions about that or about your recommendation report. Otherwise, this is going to wrap up our last week of class. I'll touch base again with you guys beginning of next week in our announcements, just to see if we have any questions or concerns. But other than that, we are wrapping up our time together. So hang in there, guys. Let's finish strong. And let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Have a great week.